How to add music to WhatsApp status on iPhone. It is very easy and simple step to add music to your WhatsApp status on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, simply open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone and make sure that you are logged into your WhatsApp account. Now there, go to the updates at the bottom left corner of your screen and there you will get to see My Status option available. Now tap on the My Status option available there and simply browse through your gallery and select the photo or video you want to add music for in your WhatsApp status. Now, once you find the photo or video, all you have to do is tap on the music icon at the top. You can see there is a music icon available. Now select a song and customize it. You can also use the search address bar to search for a certain song. And here we are simply tapping on the random song for an example. Once you tap on the song, you can also customize it. For example, you can choose the part of the song by simply using the slider option available there. And once done, you can simply tap on the done option available there at the top right corner of your screen and post it to your status. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much.